The Gale Health and Wellness Resource Center is an article database of both academic medical journals as well as magazines, news, reference works, streaming video, audio, and downloadable images. A strength of this database is as a source for consumers, non-healthcare professionals seeking patient-level information from authoritative, credible sources. Contents include health-related issues from current disease and disorder information to in-depth coverage of alternative medical practices, herbal remedies, and more. This video will show you how to start at the BMCC Library, www.bmcc.cuny.edu/library. Locate the Health and Wellness database. Define a preliminary research question and conduct a topic search. Use filters to narrow results by format, publication date, and more. Find the full text of an article, image, or video. Save and cite the source in your reference list. I'm looking for a recent article written at the layperson level about stress management. From the library homepage, www.bmcc.cuny.edu/library, use the list of databases A to Z to locate the Health and Wellness Resource Center. When prompted, log into your CUNY First account, the account you use to log into library resources, Brightspace, and Microsoft Office 365. Start with a simple search with your keywords. For example, stress management generates a large set of results in formats such as reference works, general interest health magazines, along with academic journals, streaming audio and videos, news, and downloadable images. We are seeking an article written at the layperson level, so to reduce the large number of hits, use the filter tagged Consumer Health. To further reduce results, you can select publication date as a limit. We can choose a limit for the last year. When all the limits have been applied, this search leaves 38 magazine articles to browse. This article meets all the search criteria. A consumer health level article. The search terms stress management are in the title, published in 2023 in a non-academic magazine. As you browse, notice the CITE feature at the bottom of the article allows you to format a reference citation in your choice of styles for saving into your notes or your paper's reference list. For more help, visit the Student Research Toolkits for the Healthcare Professions at bmcc.libguides.com/healthed/infolit or the Student Research Toolkit for Psychology at bmcc.libguides.com/psychology/infolit. Use help on the library homepage to chat with a librarian or make an appointment.